Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to begin pairing immediately. Don't delay. First, charge the Hesh 2 above 50% to avoid interruptions. Next, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue and red. That indicates pairing mode. Then, on your phone or laptop, make sure Bluetooth is turned on and visible to new devices. Once the headphones flash, proceed to your device's Bluetooth list. You'll see Skullcandy Hesh 2 appear ready to connect. Now, select the Hesh 2 from your device's Bluetooth menu and initiate the connection. Once you tap the device name, wait for the confirmation tone and the status to change to Connected. If your device prompts a PIN, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. Most modern phones skip this step. Make sure volume is low at first to avoid loud surprises. After connection, test audio playback and the microphone with a quick voice memo. Finish by adjusting audio settings and pairing preferences on your device. Make sure media audio is enabled for the Hesh 2. If the connection fails, power cycle the headphones and device, wait 10 seconds, then try again. If problems persist, reset the Hesh 2 by holding power plus volume up for about 8 to 10 seconds. This clears old pairings. Also, disconnect nearby Bluetooth devices to prevent interference. If you still encounter issues, check battery level and repeat the pairing steps. Often a fresh reset fixes stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.